Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today let's try making some Dal Khichdi. Khichdi is a South Asian cuisine made with rice and lentils. It's a perfect winter comfort food, a one-pot recipe. You can add some veggies and masalas to make it a bit interesting. So first let's soak some rice and lentils. Here I've just used Moong Dal, but you can definitely add more varieties of lentils into this recipe. Wash it and soak it for 30 minutes. Now into a pressure cooker, add some ghee, splatter some Cumin Seeds, some hing and saute it. Add finely chopped onion. Saute till the color changes. Then add in mixed veggies like carrot, beans, green peas and potatoes. Saute it for some time, then add in the masala powders like turmeric, red chili powder, coriander powder and some Garam Masala. Saute that again. Add finely chopped tomato. Mix and cook till the tomatoes get mushy. Then add in the soaked rice and dal. Mix it with the veggies. Add some salt and water. Mix it nicely. Once it comes to a nice boil, close the lid and pressure cook on high flame for 1 whistle. Then reduce the flame and wait for 1 more whistle and turn it off. Once the pressure releases by itself, open the pressure cooker and mix it. Our khichdi is ready. If you wanted to have like dry, you can have it, but I like my khichdi is a bit watery, so I added some more water, mix it and boil it. Mash the rice, dal and veggies. Finally add some chopped coriander leaves. Mix it. And here it is. Our mixed veg masala khichdi is ready. It's very healthy and nutritious for kids and grown-ups. It's very soothing and comfort during winters and perfect for your tummy. While serving, you can drizzle some ghee on top with some chopped coriander leaves and a spoonful of pickle. So definitely enjoy it. Leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot. Watch more interesting recipes from our channel. Thank you.